How to change Amazon Prime password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change Amazon Prime password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Changing the Amazon Prime password is very simple. You can simply use a normal Amazon app, log into your account. Because your Prime account is your Amazon account, your Amazon account includes all the Prime subscription as a whole. So when you open the Amazon app, you can simply come to the little profile icon that you can find here. Then from here you can simply go to the option that is your account and then just tap on it. Then once you tap on the your account button, you can simply scroll here under account settings. You can find login and security. Then you can tap on login and security option. Then once you tap on login and security, then you can simply go to the password tab, then tap on the edit button here. Then once you tap on the edit button, you can simply make sure to enter your current password, tap on new password, re-enter new password, and then tap the save changes option. And that's all it takes to change the Amazon Prime password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.